Welcome to this video tutorial of how to use the GCON4 MFL for human resources. In this opportunity, we will show you how the MFL can be used to upload new resources or maintain existing ones in Business World. Before starting this video, we recommend that you also watch our other videos of the MFL so you can have a better understanding of this tool. First, we need to connect to Business World from the MFL, and then we click the Generate button. Then we select the master file. In this case, we select Personnel, which refers to the resources master file. As you would usually do for any other master file, start to select the fields and tabs you want to include in the template. You can see that there are already some fields selected. That means those fields are mandatory and cannot be excluded from the data. Select the fields that you want to include on each tab. The MFL also allows you to upload documents attached to the information you're migrating. By including the Document Archive tab in the template, you will be able to do so. The MFL will also show you all the flexi groups linked to the attribute selected, in this case, the resource master file, so you can also include them in your template. Once you have selected all the fields you need, indicate if you want to use any of these commands. For example, I'm going to include the accepted values sheet because I want the template to validate the entered data. You could also include some sample rows or protect the workbook. If you are uploading information for the first time, just leave this section as it is and proceed with the generation of the template by clicking on the Generate button, and the MFL will generate a blank template. If what you need is to maintain or update information that is already in the system, use this section to define parameters or filters to retrieve the information. So here, I am telling the MFL that I need to retrieve all the resources linked to the resource type R because those are the ones I need to update. I already have the field selected, so I can click on Generate. Assign a name to your Excel file and wait for it to generate. When it finishes, open the Excel. When you open the Excel, you will be able to see all the tabs generated, including the flexi groups, and in each tab you will see all the fields selected as columns. The columns that have a hyperlink in the name is because they have a list of values available in the accepted values sheet. For example, if I click on this one, it will show me all the accepted values for that column. The MFL also allows you to indicate multiple values for one piece of information. For example, in the Relations tab, if you have a relation that allows duplicates, you just insert a row, specify the related attribute, the value, and in the sequence number column, just increase the number starting on 0. It works the same way with table type flexi groups. If you need to upload several rows, just insert more rows in the corresponding sheet. Indicate the information, and in the sequence number column, just increase the numbers. If you need to attach documents to the data that is being uploaded or updated, make sure to include the Document Archive tab. And when you're filling the template, just indicate the correct name and path of the file, as well as the document type that you need to use. Once you have your template filled out with the information you need, just save the template, go to the MFL, click on Load, and select your file. The MFL will now start to upload the information, and if it finds any errors, it will show you a detailed log with the errors it found. If everything is okay, it will also prompt a log indicating that the upload was finished successfully. If we now go to Business World, go to the Resource Master file, we can see that the resources have been updated with the information of the template. including the document attachments. That is all for this video. We hope you find it very useful for your activities, and if you have any questions or inquiries about these features or any other feature of MFL, please contact us through our support platform or through the MFL website.